guys, we're back at the room. We are at Universal Studios Endless Summer Resort, Dockside Inn and Suites. And again, thank you to Universal Studios for hosting us this week. And we are in room 2932. So let's go in and do a room tour. So when you walk in,
there's a Joy.
There's a Joy. She does not come with this room. There is a mirror. It's a nice size to look at your OOTD. That's our stuff. We're not gonna look at that side of the room because it's our luggage and, well, I mean, we can. Look at that. Boom. Okay. So there is a lock. Well, there's a lock up there, or a stopper, and then there's a lock there. Okay, so there's the mirror, there's me, hey! Here is the bathroom. Let's get some light in here. So we've got a nice size tub, shower combo. We've got the standard toilet. Over here, we've got the sink with some towels under there, and they did say if we needed more, we could ask by text. There's the hair dryer. We have some Kleenex. There's some facial soap over here, or just soap. There's some more towels. Didn't show the products in the bathroom, but here are, you've got some shampoo and conditioner, and there's a bar soap up there too. And it's sea salt, so it should smell really good. Then over here, you've got a closet where we're gonna put our stuff. We came in a rush trying to get over to Islands of Adventure. So now that that's done, we can kind of organize the rest of our stay. But it's all surf themed. So we've got some beautiful beach pictures on the wall. We've got 2 queen beds, one for each of us. Got a nice rug on that side for my bed because I always sleep by the door. We've got a nice nightstand in the middle, and it is, yes, that clock is right. It is 12:01 a.m. We've got a rug in the middle. We've got the remote here wrapped to make sure that we know that it's been cleaned. We've got a nice little Endless Summer Resorts hand sanitizer. That's pretty cool. And I love these headboards because they're nice and plush. These lights too. So Joy wants to demonstrate that they turn on and off by pulling them, pulling the chain. So over here, we've got Catch the Wave, and we've got lots of plugs, lots of outlets in this room, which is good because we have lots of things to plug up. We left a light. There's another light. So there's a light up there over the dresser slash desk. We have an ice bucket. We have cups. We have a nice big TV, which is good because we love watching TV. In this one though, this little cabinet, there's our refrigerator. We have nothing in there right now except for Joy's cookie that she made at school. Well, she decorated it at school. So she put it in there because the icing was kind of runny because it was hot. So we've got 3 nice sized drawers here. And then we've got this pull-out seat, which is where Joy's gonna work because she has 2 more days of school left. So she's gonna work here. Well, she has 2 days while we're here. Next week is finals week, so in my mind, she has 2 more days of school. There's her camera. So this cool chair right here, which is probably where I'm gonna spend a lot of my time because it looks pretty comfortable, but it is right next to the window. You sat in it? Mm-hmm. And then, the cushion is soft. Ooh. Then we've got this nice lamp over it. I can sit there with my laptop or my iPad. We've got another rug on this side, so they make it very cozy with the rugs. And then we've got this pool view. They gave us a pool view room. Look at that pool down there. First of all, it is huge. You've got the chairs all around. Oh, and look back there. You can see Icon Park. So you've got the Orlando Eye over there moving around, all lit up. We've got the parking lot. We've got another side of the resort. But the cool thing is those chairs that are like right there by the pool, they're in sand. There's sand around there. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna have to go down there and check that out before we leave, but we still have a while. So yeah, that is our room.
Did you know the chest opens, but you need a key?
What opens?
The chest. The nightstand is a chest.
Oh, it opens?
Yeah, but we don't have the key for it. It's a keyhole for it.
What?
Did you see it?
No.
Look.
Let me see.
You look. There's a keyhole.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, I don't have to go in that. But yeah, this is, let me give you guys an, oh, forgot to show the thermostat. It's set to 73 because we don't like to be cold. So there's an overview of our room. Once more. So yeah, we will let you guys know. I'm sure we're gonna have a great stay, but we will let you guys know what we think at the end. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, I didn't show this last time because I didn't know. I picked up the remote to turn on the TV and look what happens. What? It didn't do it. Look, it lights up. That's cool. What?
And then when you put it back down, it stops.
Yeah, the light goes out. Okay, bye for real this time. See you guys tomorrow.